I just picked up some swag by Chip Foose. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. As a car guy, you know that I like cars, and I've always really loved what Chip Foose, inductee into the Hot Rod Hall of Fame, builder of the decade, car customizer, car designer, just a really tremendous guy as far as I can tell too. Love his stuff, watched him on TV for many years, and thought, why not go ahead and spend a couple bucks to show my support of all things Foose. So I went to the Chip Foose website and I bought a couple of things here. So the first thing that I got was this polo shirt. Comes in a very crinkly, noisy bag, and I thought, look at that, stuck my arm. And I thought I would try this out so that maybe I could golf this year and share my love of Foose. Now, it is like this knit material here. It seems to have his autograph stitched, embroidered on the right sleeve, nothing on the left sleeve, and the Foose name logo on the chest here. Also, I will tell you that it is apparently a Harriton shirt, so hopefully that's pretty nice. I do like the little black border on the collar and the cuff. So let's go ahead and throw this on. All right, well, you know what? I usually make everything look good, so don't judge it based on that. But yeah, this fits great. Looks good. I've got the autograph right there. Yeah, feels good too. Now all I have to do is complete the ensemble with this hat here. Now, this is kind of a fitted hat. I had to get it in my giant noggin size, so I am appreciative that they do have it in some of the larger sizes. I also like the flat brim, because when you have that really large head, either you need a brim like this, so that if you curl it down, it doesn't look funny. So I just like the flat brim, and I also like this kind of gray twill look right there. It says Foose design embroidered right here. I love this kind of offset vertical logo. This is just a sticker. You don't have to worry about that. But then on the back here, again, we also have that Chip Foose autograph embroidered, just a little offset of the back, right back there. So let's see if this fits too. Oh yeah, there I am, showing myself as a Chip Foose Foosey. Is there such thing as a Foosey? If there is, I sure look like a Foosey right now. Hey, this fits great. Looks good too. Yeah, I'm not half the car guy that Chip Foose is, but I can support the guys who are by going to their merch store and buying their stuff. Hey, if you want to pick up some Chip Foose stuff too, I'll put links to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. You tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.
I just picked up some swag from